Hi, I am Loredana Niculae from NNC Services. I'm happy to introduce you to our second series of the B2B Prospecting Academy. We've had such a good feedback on the first series that started, and already people were interested, so that we organized a second series of the same coaching program that lasts about 8 weeks. In this program, we're going to consider quite a bit of information, but more important, it's a hands-on experiential program. We're going to define your new, more integrated, more modern sales and lead generation process. It's all based on value-based sales and account-based methodologies. And if you are in the B2B space, especially if you're selling to enterprise, then you already know that in the decision process right now in B2B, things are changing quite dramatically in the last year. And how that's changing is that even though we had quite a few people involved in the decision making before, right now it's so much easier, so that many people will join a conference with a vendor, right? So you would easily have right off the bat 6 to 10 decision makers in a call if it's a high value based sale. Then you would have, for example, account-based selling, the new normal in an enterprise, right? So it's not like it used to be only based on referrals or only based on trade shows and events and so on. Right now, it's mostly about how do you approach all the organization from different angles. As organizations are revamping due to COVID, we've considered quite a bit of, information and data on what are the most effective ways to approach a new customer, right? To generate a new lead. Do you know, for example, how important it is when you send out an email that's personalized? It makes the difference between an email being effective and not. And even with personalization, there are so many important factors, right? From what you write in the subject line all the way to how do you close the email. So there's many do's and don'ts. And the beauty about this program is that we actually work together. We're going to be working side by side for 8 weeks to generate some amazing lead generation results. Some of the first feedbacks we have only after a couple of sessions is that people already had 100, imagine it, 100 B2B really high value, high stakes interactions only after 2 weeks, right? So I'd be happy to showcase a few more examples. I'd be happy to demonstrate how this program could work out for you. Do reach out to me, do register for the program. I'm looking forward to working with an amazing group of people. They're all entrepreneurs, business leaders, sales leaders, and there's so much learning and experiential and sharing. It's becoming a real prospecting community where we all learn from each other and develop each other's skills. Bye.